Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. This is a cassava. Uh, Today we'll be talking about Gari Soakings, which is a delicacy in Ghana and I think even in West Africa. It's made from Gari. So this is the cassava they uproot, and from this stage, the processing starts. So they take the cassava from the farm. After uprooting the cassava, the next step is to peel it. So as you can see, when the peeling is done, then they wash it. After washing, it gets to this machine, which is a grinding machine. So this is how they grind it. By so doing, they will grind it into a paste form. After grinding it, they will pack it into a sack and compress it and extract the water out of it, and to be left with only the cassava dough, which will be used for the gari. So at this stage, this local a sieve is here, and they will pour this thing on it bit by bit and sieve it. After that, they produce the gari there. So today, this is what we are talking about. So this is the final outcome, which is the gari, and these are the ingredients we are going to use. This is the granite we are going to use to do the soakings. This very food is commonly found in Africa, and mostly um in West Africa, to be precise. I think some of my friends in Cameroon also, they also consume gari. So we are about to start the processing of the gari. It's just how to prepare gari. It's a simple, straightforward method. Everybody who is in Africa or who is in Ghana or in Nigeria or either Cameroon, I don't know about the rest of the countries, but I believe Gari is a West Africa thing, and I don't know whether they have some
No put
in
sugar
East
for inside.
Africa.
Yeah,
I
the
don't
way
know.
they do
So
your
if
thing
you
there,
think
some way
they
cry.
consume Gari in East Africa as well, just comment below in the section, in the comment section, so that we all get to know. So we are starting how to prepare it. So at first,
Right,
you
this one be the
pour
one we are
in
buying.
the quantity of Gari you would like to consume. So sometimes when you pour it too much, it tends to rise in volume. So you be careful how much quantity you would like to use to do this very soaking stain I'm talking about. It's very nice, and if you've not yet tried it, whether you are in Europe, America, or Asia, or wherever, you can just give it a try. Go to any African shop, tell them you are looking for curry. Yes, you are looking for curry. It's just in the powdered form. Here is it. I'm pouring it. It's in a powdered form made from cassava. So after pouring this gari now, I'll be adding the rest of the ingredients, and we'll get started and see how we prepare it here on our side. If you've not yet subscribed to this channel, this MJ fan base, please subscribe. We'll be bringing you more topics from our end. So let's get into the video. So here you can see, as we go along, adding up our granite, then later we add the sugar to it.
If I tear the two, if you do one place, you know where they come.
So you will be adding the sugar to it, and after that you pour some volume of water onto the gari. So and we pour milk also as well into it to give it that creamy taste.
You try to give up before.
If you've not yet tried it, Just
Why
do
for try
so
am?
and try it. I promise you, you will like it. And here in Africa or in Ghana or in West Africa, a lot of people are used to this. And yeah, growing up, when we were a kid, almost every afternoon when coming back from school, we have this in abundance. So like it's just like some particular food which always come true for people. A lot of people says it belongs to the folks that don't have anything fixing this thing, but believe me and you, it's never true. It's just another variety of food which is found in West Africa. So yeah, so this is the creamy nature of it. It looks creamy, and because of the milk that has been poured in it and the granite, the combination and the chemical formations, you just imagine how tasty this thing will go. So the bread on the side is optional. So yeah, so that is it. This is how we prepare gari. So if you have any question you want to ask, just leave it in the comment section. We will attend to you. And yeah, see you in our next video. So in a simple way, this is how we prepare gari here in West Africa, precisely Ghana. Yeah, maybe there are some other people who prefer to put some certain things in it. Some people don't use sugar, they prefer to put honey into the gari to have that taste,
One place you no
and
go dey calm.
also not to consume sugar. So it's a preference. The way you would like it, that is how you go by it. So yeah, see you in our next video. If you've not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so as we bring along all the interesting content on this channel to you. Thank you. Keep watching until we see you in our next video.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think